All right, let's see if there's enough power on 6S to get him in the air. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that hover really nice. Good.
There's more authority with 6S. But I still have the handling problems. I'm just gonna go out a little bit and then bring them back because I'm used to this size motor on 6S and I can feel it. I feel there's like drag. I feel that he's like holding everything down and he's just a big honker, a big heckin' chonker slowing me down.
A big honker.
I'm gonna try my route. No, I don't want to try the back yet. I'll just stay up front. I'm having trouble gauging how much power to give it. This is a very different dynamic for me. I'm not used to it.
Yeah, it's way different.
I hope this looks really funny from where you guys are sitting.
Yeah.
It sure does.
It's cute too.
Cool.
And even the way like it goes to, you know, it bounces from one side to another is really nice.
Nice. I'm gonna go around that pole. I don't want to disrupt that picnic, but I kind of wanted to get a sense of.
You don't love seeing it.
Let me slow down a little bit. I don't want to crash in the dirt. So yeah, I have much more authority when I hover. I'm gonna go around a little bit. I'm gonna scare some of the people walking over there. I have problems with attitude control.
It looks like you're too close to the trees.
No, I'm alright. I have problems with gauging how much altitude I can give it. I think someone's looking at it now.
Yeah, the couple of us, yeah, they're looking at you.
I think he's pointing to us.
Alright, I think I have a better sense of it now. It flies like it's got a bowling ball in its stomach. That's what the drone feels like. It really is struggling to stay up, but I think I have a better sense.
Someone else just pointed at it.
I'm going to try to do my usual route in the trees behind us, and we'll see how that goes. It definitely burns through a lot more power than the other drones.
Yeah, the ways. Just maybe. Oh man, that's so cool.
Pretty scary, right?
I think it's cute.
Yeah, I think it's cute too. I don't think it's scary as anyone.
Who names? Die! Alright, I'm gonna land him because I think this battery is already a little
Oh really? Oh, there goes. Yeah, it does go fast. Right there.
Oh.